Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add horizontal and vertical dividers in WordPress. Alright, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the WordPress website. Select your Google account and you will be taken to the WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Pages section and click on it. Now, click on the Edit button beneath the page you want to edit. This will open the site editor in your browser. Inside the editor, your content is arranged in columns. To add a new column, move your cursor between the existing columns and click the plus icon that appears. This adds an extra column that you can use to create a horizontal or vertical divider. After adding the column, go to the Settings panel on the right side. Adjust the width of the new column by typing 1 and changing the unit to pixels. Setting the width to 1 pixel creates a thin line, which works perfectly as a divider. If you can't see it, change the color to black. Similarly, you can add a horizontal column and change its settings to make it look like a divider. So that's basically how you can add horizontal and vertical dividers in WordPress. That's it for this video. Thanks.